I'm Jack. I'm one of 3 service technicians here at Walcott Radio. I have a background in IT, audiovisual technology, and live event production. Kind of starting to work with radios is a good segue into using my signal processing skills, but in a new way. There's a lot of services that we offer. The most popular ones are setting up new radios and repairing broken ones. We can also seasonally go outside and work on vehicles, checking out antenna systems, replacing coax, that sort of thing. With many of our repairs, if it's a simple enough thing, we can get it fixed same day and get you back on the road making money. So when someone comes in and they have a problem with their radio, it's important to just kind of walk through the whole process, figure out whether it's the radio itself or something with the antenna system. And as radios get more complicated these days, sometimes it's something as simple as you're in the wrong mode. So we'll just take a look at the radio, kind of step by step go through and see what may be wrong with it and what we can do to fix it. Our sales department, our repair department, they all have decades of experience. So if there's an issue, we're usually able to recognize it pretty quickly. We have a close relationship with a lot of manufacturers, not just with radios. We also helped prototyping the K-series base stations that can have the power supplies and speakers, all that included in it. We're able to work with the manufacturers. We see how it's used in the real world. I really like being able to troubleshoot and taking something that's broken, fixing it, and making it better. Here at Walcott Radio, we have the experience that you need to get back on the road.